Welcome to the demonstration video of the TB Target Population Estimation component of the Tuberculosis module of the Integrated Health Tool, or IHT. This critical component supports national tuberculosis programs by estimating target populations, setting notification targets, and defining case distributions which serve as input for resource needs, costing and impact estimation. With respect to resource needs estimation, the tool links directly to IHT's tuberculosis costing component to ensure synchrony between the estimated cost and impact of a given strategy. Let's dive in and explore how to use this component effectively. From the tuberculosis module of the IHT interface or dashboard, navigate to the third tab titled TB Target Population Estimation. This section is organized into a number of components that are listed on the menu featured to the left of the dashboard. Notification projections, patient-initiated programs, provider-initiated programs, resistance testing and treatment, prevention of TB disease, vaccination, and target population summary where projected target populations are listed. Let's start with notification projections, which provides an overview of all forms of total case notifications who are reported and treated. We'll revisit this section, especially the defined TB case type or distribution subsection, once more context is established. There are two tabs to review. In the first tab titled Projection of Total TB Notifications Baseline, the user can see reported notifications for the base year and projected notifications under both baseline and target scenarios. These notification projections are crucial for understanding how planned interventions will influence case detection over time. The total notification projections are calculated by either statistical or dynamical modeling methods, depending on the user's choice of projection method chosen in Create File, as demonstrated in the configuration video. These methods and the choice made between them during projection creation will be covered in greater detail in the Impact video. The proportion notified indicator in the bottom line of the table for projected notifications target refers to the ratio between total notification and estimated incidence. This is the so-called case detection ratio. The user's main task in this editor is to 1. Review the reported notifications for the baseline year if needed, and it is usually not needed as it is published WHO data, and 2. Provide inputs for the projected notifications target table where the user can set an overall notification target, generally as stated in a national strategic plan. This can be done by entering a value directly for each year, or by completing base year and target year values, and by making use of the tool's function to interpolate between years, or by duplicating a value to the right of a highlighted block of values. The main purpose of the proportion notified indicator, which is shown in the second row in table, is to provide the user with a guide when setting the notification target. By model design, the case detection ratio is capped at 99%, and a value of 99% shows that the total notification target exceeds estimated incidence. The user may react to this situation by moderating the target for total notifications. After setting a total notification target, the main challenge for the user is to configure the remaining details of the TB target population estimation component to be consistent with the target for total notifications. By this we mean to correctly configure the treatment and care cascade for roughly 10 population or patient groups in patient-initiated programs and 10 population or patient groups in provider-initiated programs. These 20 patient group distinctions are made to handle variations in their underlying treatment and care cascades. The table in the TB case type split or distribution editor shows the various splits that are based on the latest year of the WHO notifications database, including new and recurrent cases, HIV status, age, and the breakdown between pulmonary and extrapulmonary TB. The total notification data used in this table is sourced from projected target notifications in the previous tab. The distribution of patient types found in these splits is drawn from the most recent year of WHO data and case definitions available and are presented as both absolute values and as percentages for the first year. These percentages are used to calculate the numbers of patients by type in future years. We have not developed a way for the user to edit these splits directly, as there are many dependent relationships in the underlying data that the user will have to adhere to when editing the data. The model uses the 2023 distribution corresponding to the final year of WHO data and applies it to all years of the forward projection.